If you're watching this video, it's because you're about to go on a cruise ship and you're trying to get a cruise fling and you don't know how. Well, fear no more, because I'm your cruise expert, alexsiaqueenii. I've been on 20 plus cruises and I'm 17 years old, so I know everything from Lido deck to getting cruise flings and having people in your room. I mean, not all that, but you know what I mean. Every single cruise I've been on, I've always had a cruise fling, so I mean, hey, take my advice. I mean, you don't have to, but I'm just saying. Honestly, this video is going to be short and quick because there's literally only one thing you need to do to get a cruise fling, and that's to go to the basketball court. Go to the basketball court and then boom, you got a cruise fling. Both for boys, girls, they, thems. The basketball court is where it's at because you'll see people playing basketball and then the girls will sit on the benches and watch the boys play, and then they'll just kind of like intertwine. So if you want to get a cruise fling, go to the basketball court, and that's literally like all this video is. I was gonna talk more about it, but literally when I was thinking about it, literally the basketball court is the only thing you need to do to get a cruise fling. And if your cruise doesn't have a basketball court, then it's lame. Then go to like the other teen hangout spot. But all you need to do is be in the Circle C, or not Circle C, be in the teen club, or be in the basketball court, or on the hot tub at night, and just radiate that confidence, bad bitch energy. Be extroverted, be the class clown, let everyone know you, be known, smell good, look clean, and then boom, you're set. So if you can follow all those steps and do everything that I just said and just be unapologetically yourself, you're gonna get a cruise fling. Just don't be a hoe. Don't be a hoe. You could bounce around and have fun, but don't be a hoe. Okay? And this is to my boys. Don't be a hoe. Also, be bold. Tell someone that you like them when you like them, because chances are the person that you like, everyone else and their mom is gonna like the same person, and if they jump on them before you, they're gonna move that fast. So if you like someone, act on it, tell them on the first day, and then boom, you could get a cruise fling that fast. Literally that fast. It's not rocket science. That's how you get a cruise fling. I hope this video helped. My next videos are gonna be longer. It's just my iPhone storage is killing me and it's not letting me film longer videos, so I had to make this short and sweet. But follow my cruise TikTok. I have a lot of cruise videos up there. Comment down below questions you have about cruise ships and I'll make sure I get to them. If you're about to go on a cruise this summer, then have fun.